Good evening, dear organizer. I would like to introduce you our projects. We will build an application that help students choosing their major using AI recommendation. Um, my name is Wichka. I am a part of Galaxy Hub team. We have 3 members.
Hello, my name is Thadudom, the Smart Major Advisor, an AI-powered system that will help Cambodian students find the university major that truly matches their abilities and interests.
Hi everyone I'm Song Sauri សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Song Sauri ខ្ញុំបានបង្កើតគម្រោងនេះឡើងដោយសារតែយើងជឿថាសិស្សគ្រប់រូបគួរតែមានប្រព័ន្ធណែនាំក្នុងការជួយដល់អនាគតនៃការអប់រំជ្រើសរើសមុខជំនាញដែលពួកគេចង់រៀននៅសាកលវិទ្យាល័យ
In Cambodia, many students choose their major because of their family expectation or what is popular in their age, not because they truly know their strengths.
Without real guidance, most of them feel lost once they enter university. In rural areas, there's rarely a counselor to help.
និស្សិតនឹងខាតបង់ពេលវេលាជាមួយនឹងការចំណាយពេលរៀនលើជំនាញដែលពួកគេមិនចូលចិត្ត ហើយពេលដែលពួកគេបញ្ចប់ការសិក្សាពួកគេអាចនឹងធ្វើការជ្រើសរើសការងារខុសពីមុខជំនាញដែលពួកគេបានសិក្សានៅសាកលវិទ្យាល័យ
To solve this, we will build a Smart Major Advisor, which is an AI-powered web system that gives personalized guidance to students.
Students will answer a quick quiz, including their grade, interest, and personality.
We will also choose our best model to analyze their responses and recommend the top 3 majors that match them best. The Smart Major Advisor helps students discover their real potential and make decisions with confidence.
គ្រូបង្រៀននិងសាលារៀនអាចប្រើប្រព័ន្ធនេះវាជាឧបករណ៍ប្រឹក្សាឌីជីថលងាយស្រួលប្រើដើម្បីស្រាវជ្រាវបន្ថែមចំណាប់អារម្មណ៍របស់សិស្ស
Nationally, it aligns education with Cambodia's job market needs and support girls in STEM, promoting equal opportunity.
Together, it supports SDG 4, quality education, SDG 5, gender equality, SDG 8, decent work, and last but not least, SDG 10, reduce inequality. Together, helping Cambodian students using AI and data. Thank you.